Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos X9, and today I will show you how to enable power saving mode. So, starting off, you want to pull down the notification panel, and you'll see the battery saver right here. So you can just tap on it and it will enable the default power saving mode. You can also hold it to go into the settings, and from here you have access to ultra power saving. And also, as you can see, it tells you how much battery it will, or how long the battery will last with this. So right now it's 19 with the smart power saving. If I disable it, it's 16. And if I enable the ultra power saving one, it should jump to like 23 hours. But as you can see, it changes the entire phone into kind of black and white simple one. And if you want to leave it, you can just tap on the exit button right here, and you will go back to the normal mode. So yeah, so you can just pull down and you have always access to the battery saver right here, which you can gain access to settings or just enable it by default to the normal one. And yeah, that's basically how you enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.